How about learning colors with a fun balloon popping game? Let's get started. Red, red. Blue, blue. Pink, pink. Orange, orange. Green, green. Purple, purple. Yellow, yellow. Turquoise, turquoise. Brown, brown. Light pink, light pink. Dark green, dark green. Peach, peach. Beige, beige. Black, black. Light green, light green. Gray, gray. Gold, gold. Navy blue, navy blue. Silver, silver. Burgundy, burgundy. White, white. Charcoal, charcoal. Cream, cream. Red, green, yellow, purple, orange, blue, pink, burgundy. Come on, let's pop the balloons. Red, green, yellow, purple, orange, blue, pink, burgundy. Great job, kids! We learned colors easily and had lots of fun! Like the video and subscribe for more fun learning.